My name is Archita and I came with my family to Mobel Furniture, Lakshmi Sagar store. So we came to purchase furniture for my sister's wedding, and I was stunned by the collection that they have here. And when you go to a store, the first thing that you look for is the behavior that the store people extend to you. And I must appreciate Mr. Devashish, who is the store manager, and also Mr. Govind. They have been really kind and helpful in showing us everything, and this is not just for the sake of sake. We actually ended up buying a lot of furniture just because of that little edge, going beyond the service. So I think if you're looking for furniture, not just for wedding purpose, but even for your home, they have really good collection. It's like a 2-story and 3-story building which has got everything from dressing table to beds and dining table, sofas. So big thumbs up from my end.
मोबेल फर्निचर समग्र परिवार पाई विश्वासर एक बंधन।